Hello everyone. Here in this session, we are going to write a code for counting the number of any particular character entered by user. So we are going to take some input in the form of a string from the user, and we are going to figure out that that particular character is occurring how much time in that particular string. So for that, what we can do, we can just declare one string, let's say char, and the name of a string is, let's say, str. And here what we can do, we can just assign some memory to it. So let's say I'm assigning it 100 byte of memory. You can assign it as much as you want, depends on your Stack Overflow problem. Okay, now char, and this time I'm declaring one more variable, that is ch, because in this ch variable I am going to take the input from user, that what particular character they want to figure out, that occurrences of that particular character, and this is for taking the inputs string. And the next one is int count. Initially, we are going to assign the value of count as a 0, and we can take one more variable, that is I. Right now, we can just pass a simple printf statement here, and inside this printf statement, we can just ask user enter any string, right? So the user is going to enter any string, and we can store it using, let's say, gets function. Also, you know that gets is also for reading anything from user. So we can take the input in str, right? Okay. After that, I am just passing one more printf statement, and this printf is going to ask user that enter any character that you want to count in the string, right? So that particular character would be count, right? And we can store it. We can use this time scanf, no problem. And we can just use the scanf concept. We are using taking input in the form of character %c ampersand ncs, that is the name of variable. Now we can just use the conditional statement. Okay, before conditional, we need to use for loop, and inside for loop we need to, you know, that assign initialize I equals to 0, and from here str is name of my string array. So str till str indexing is I, and it doesn't equals to null. It doesn't equals to null, right? That much time I need to, iterate it till it doesn't become null, means end of a string. If it is going to iterate that much time, what I need to do in that meanwhile? In that meanwhile, I need to compare something. What if stri, that is that particular indexing value, is equals to the given character that we need to figure out? If they are matching, we need to increment the value of count, that is count plus plus, right? And if it, it is going to iterate how much time? It is going to iterate till the end of a string. If they are going to match with the entered character, it is going to increment the value of count by 1. If at the end, when the for loop will be completely iterated, thereafter we can just pass a simple printf statement, and we can just pass our message that the occurrence of, we can write it like that, the occurrence of %c, right? The occurrence of %c is %d in the string, that is %s, right? And double quoted. It means that, you know, the occurrence of %c, that is that particular character ch, is %d, that much time, count time. in percentage, that is string, correct? Okay, so what I can do, let's try to debug it and let's try to run it. Okay, so enter any string. So I am entering any string, let's say PROFESSOR Okay, next, enter any character that you want to count in that string. Okay, let's say I want to count the occurrence of R. Okay, the occurrence of R is 3 in string Professor Rahul. And yes, 1, 2, and 3, isn't it? I hope you got it. You can run it again and you can see the output for other string also. Enter any string. So let's say the string is PROFESSOR. This time you can see what I am writing. Right. Now this time if I want to figure out the occurrence of R, capital R, it is going to give me 1. Why? Because you know the ASCII value of lowercase r and ASCII value of uppercase r is different. So if I am doing like that, in that case, it is only going to check here in this conditional loop. Here, they are only going to match that particular character ch, that is r, with the value of this ASCII value of that particular r. So ASCII value of uppercase r and ASCII value of lowercase r are different. So it is only going to match with this r only, right? I hope you got the gist, right? Okay. So I hope the concept is clear that how to count any particular character in any given string. If you are having any doubt, any confusion, any query, please feel free to ask in the comment section. Please hit the like button, subscribe our channel for more such videos. Thank you and have a very nice day. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.